Congratulations on purchasing the Phoenix, the world's only home-use acoustic wave device with patented smart guidance technology. Now, we strongly encourage you to take a moment and read the operating instructions that arrived with your device. Or check out our step-by-step treatment protocol videos before completing your first treatment. If you just can't wait to get started, this quick start video will help you get up and running. Now, a couple of things I want to make sure you're aware of before we begin. First, the Phoenix is not a cordless rechargeable device. It must be plugged into a wall outlet during each treatment, but you can unplug it once you're done. And don't worry, it doesn't need to remain plugged in between treatments. Second, the Phoenix emits powerful acoustic waves during your treatment. These strong, energetic sound waves are not quiet. They're produced by a dynamic, calibrated internal mechanism, so you'll hear a mechanical noise during treatment. This is the same sound heard by patients at expensive clinics. And what makes these treatments effective is the powerful sound waves. So loud is good, but you may want to think ahead if discretion is important. We've included a complimentary sample of our 4% lidocaine numbing cream. Most guys don't need this, as there are fewer nerve endings in the treatment area compared to more sensitive places. However, we want to ensure you're as comfortable as possible during your first treatment. Now, speaking of comfort, we always recommend waiting to press the start button until the metal tip is firmly in contact with the skin. Starting the device while holding it away from you can result in unnecessary discomfort upon initial contact. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin by plugging the power cord into the Phoenix and plugging the transformer into the wall. Next, rotate the power switch to the on position. The lights run through a sequence to ensure that everything is operating properly. We recommend Feather Glide, but you can apply any water-based lubricant to the tip of the Phoenix. Place the tip firmly against the tissue of the penis. Remember, to minimize discomfort, it's important that the tip is firmly in contact with the penis before starting the device. Your first line of travel is indicated by the position indicator light. The green light tells you where to place the tip of the Phoenix. Think of the position indicator display as a clock face. In this case, we'll begin at the 12 o'clock position. Now, press the start button and the Phoenix will begin emitting acoustic waves. While keeping the tip pressed firmly against the penis, glide the tip along the length of the shaft. The rate of travel is indicated by the blue pacing lights. They're proportional to the line of travel. When half of the lights go out, you should be halfway along the line of travel. When the last light turns off, you should be at the end of the line of travel. Once you reach the end of the line of travel, close to the pelvis, the blue pacing lights will all light up again, indicating that it's time to reverse direction and begin traveling in the other direction, towards the head of the penis. Continue back and forth until the countdown display reaches 0, at which point the Phoenix will stop generating acoustic waves. Once you've completed the required number of passes for a line of travel, the position indicator display changes. The line of travel which you just completed turns from green to red, indicating it's complete, and a new line of travel is shown with a new green light. Move the tip to this new line of travel, press the start button, and continue as before. Continue treating along the 5 indicated lines of travel, going back and forth on each one at a pace dictated by the pacing lights, until the countdown time reaches 0 and shuts off the acoustic waves for each line of travel. A complete treatment consists of 10 back and forth passes along each of the 5 lines of travel, then doing a second set of 10 passes along the same 5 lines of travel. It may be desirable to reapply Feather Glide lubricant to the tip of the Phoenix before each new line of travel, or as necessary. Remember, there is no 6 o'clock line of treatment. Never treat on the underside of the penis, as this can cause injury to the urethra. Once you've completed a treatment, the Phoenix goes into Lockout Mode. In this mode, the device will not operate for 36 hours. This is a safety feature to guard against overtreatment. If you plug the Phoenix in and turn on the power switch while in Lockout Mode, the countdown timer will display a number between 1 and 36. This indicates how many hours of lockout time remain before the Phoenix will be ready for another treatment. It's key to remember that the full benefits of acoustic wave therapy can take 3 to 4 months to experience. This is because tissue needs time to recover, just like your muscles between workouts. The biggest gains happen during periods of rest. After your first 30 days, you need to take about 30 days off. Feel free to repeat this treatment cycle, 30 days of treatments, 2 to 3 times a week, followed by 30 days off until you've achieved your goals. And that's it. Remember, you may start seeing results after only a few treatments, but the full benefit of acoustic wave therapy can take up to 120 days. Be sure to read through the complete operating instructions or watch the video if you have any questions.